All right, I'm gonna test fit this wing. Got on eBay. So let's start by removing some of the grommet. There's a grommet there. Grommet there to unbolt the third brake light. So we'll get to that right now. All right, so there, I don't know if you can see it, but you can see the bolt. Looks like I don't know, 8 millimeters maybe. So we'll undo that and get it going. Okay, so got those removed. They're 10 millimeters right there. See, I would use a deep socket if I were you, so that it'd be easier to extract the bolt out without it falling into the cavity. All right, let's get this out. So this thing's been broken for a while. It's like a really crappy design by let me put this down. So for now, I scrubbed off as much as I could, and then I'm letting it soak some more. As I get more layers off, I just soak it and then let it go. And then now I'm gonna center punch these. Wish me luck, and we can drill. All right, so I wired the brake lights. For my particular wiring, the side with the blue stripe right there, as you can see, blue goes to ground and the white goes to the green down there. All right, so I started with a 1/8 and then stepped it up to a 5/16 as per the instructions. Did on both sides.